HSS provides vulnerability management. It can scan for vulnerabilities and automatically fix certain types of vulnerabilities, helping you better learn risks in servers and enhance server security. This video demonstrates how to scan for and fix vulnerabilities. First, we scan for vulnerabilities. Then, we view these vulnerabilities. Finally, we fix them. First, log into the HSS console and choose Risk Management is greater than Vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities can be managed in the Vulnerability View or Server View. In the Statistics area in the upper part of the page, you can view the number of vulnerabilities that need to be fixed immediately. Vulnerabilities that remain unfixed. Servers with vulnerabilities. Fixed servers to be restarted. Vulnerabilities handled today and in total. Detectable vulnerabilities. And total vulnerability scans. You can click Scan to scan for vulnerabilities in your servers. You can select the vulnerability types to be scanned. HSS can scan for Linux, Windows, Web CMS, application, and emergency vulnerabilities. Select the scan scope, that is, all servers or selected servers, and click OK to start the scan. After the scan, the total number of scans will increase by 1. You can click Manage Task in the upper right corner of the page to view the progress of scan tasks. After the scan is complete, you can click a vulnerability name to view the suggestions, vulnerability CVE details, and affected servers. You can fix vulnerabilities based on their priorities: critical, high, medium, and low. You are advised to fix critical vulnerabilities first. Currently, Linux and Windows vulnerabilities can be automatically fixed. In the Vulnerability View or Server View, select the vulnerabilities to be fixed and click Fix. In the dialog box that is displayed, click Auto Fix. If you are worried that fixing a vulnerability may affect services, you can enable backup and name the backup files before fixing it. During the automated vulnerability fix, you can click Manage Task to check the progress. After the vulnerability fix, if some vulnerabilities failed to be fixed and your services are affected, you can select a failed vulnerability or affected server, check the backup name, and click Rollback to quickly roll back the server to the status before the vulnerability fix. Web CMS, application, and emergency vulnerabilities can only be scanned but cannot be automatically fixed. You can click the name of a vulnerability and manually fix the vulnerability based on the suggestions provided on the Details page. After the vulnerability is fixed, manually scan servers to refresh the vulnerability list. If you can confirm that a vulnerability does not need to be fixed, you can ignore it or add it to the whitelist. After you click Ignore, the vulnerability status will change to Ignored. After the next scan, The ignored vulnerability will still be displayed in the vulnerability list, but its status will be ignored. You can select Handled in the drop-down list to filter this vulnerability. After you click Add to Whitelist, the vulnerability status will change to Ignored, and the vulnerability will not be displayed after the next scan. You can click Vulnerability Whitelist in the upper right corner of the page to view the vulnerabilities added to the whitelist. You can also click Scheduled Scan Policy and configure the vulnerability scan period and scope to let HSS periodically scan servers for vulnerabilities. That's all about how to scan for and fix vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching.